All right, here's my parking lot reviews. I'm not sure what chapter this is. Anyways, I'm at Targhee, Grand Targhee, Wyoming. Awesome snow, the best snow I've had in the last 2 weeks. I had started in Colorado, went to Utah, and then now up to here. And today I skied the new Mantras, the Mantra 5s, M5s they're called. I think it's the 5th version of the Mantra, so it's always been a great ski, but many different versions. This ski was a great ski today. The snow was, looks like 5-6 inches of fresh snow, but then we had the groom too. Wasn't icy really at all, just a couple spots, but this ski, it's 9,600 foot wood core. Tino, they lightened up the way they lay it down. It's not a conventional way of design. The ski is a lot lighter than the old Mantras. It's got a 19 plus turn radius. This is a 177. It's easy to bring around, really easy to bring around. Stable, very stable. You know, there was a lot of hype early this spring about the ski. I think it's all true. I've skied this a couple other places the last 2 weeks. By far, this was the most fun I had on this ski. Great condition, so it was kind of like the entire mountain. So if you're looking for a 96 all mountain type ski, I don't see how you can beat this Mantra. All right, ciao.